Hi everyone, it's Heidi from WTI. Don't forget your sunscreen. It's easy not to forget with this IT Cosmetics CC Nude Glow SPF skin tint. It has a 40 SPF with UVA and UVB protection. It also provides great coverage and is so blendable. It makes my skin look bright and hydrated. I use a brush to apply it so I can get nice, smooth, and natural finish. I like that it has a pump so I don't have to touch what I'm not using. And the scent is so pleasant. Between the Brightening Glow Serum, the blendability, and the SPF, this IT Cosmetics CC Nude Glow Skin Tint is one of my beauty must-haves, and that's my point of view.